Hello viewers, this is Genevieve Nnaji's update. Genevieve, a beautiful actress, a veteran actress in Nollywood who has done so well for herself, is now sick, and the sickness is not ordinary. This is spiritual, and this sickness is caused by a witchcraft spell. Witches are after Genevieve Nnaji's health due to she has done well for herself and she has been doing great till witches are after her life. So they're trying to manipulate her brain. Genevieve Nnaji from Mba Ise, in their lineage, has nothing, no trace of madness. So this is not ordinary. This is spiritual, and it is witchcraft people after Genevieve Nnaji's welfare. They are the one that went as far as to terminate Genevieve Nnaji's video. So they are the one that went as far as to terminate Genevieve Nnaji's video on Netflix. Witchcrafts are real and they are out to make Genevieve Nnaji mad. But she can come out of this mess from accepting Jesus as her personal Lord and Savior and connect to it, this channel, and test this channel immediately so that they can take it up from there and make her to be clear from that as soon as possible. All right, guys? So stay tuned to know why Genevieve unfollow all her friends on both on every platform. Stay tuned to know why Genevieve disconnect everything that concerns her with friends. I will update you why. So stay tuned for part 2 of this video. Bye guys. See you later. When witches can't kill you, they will be frustrating your life, frustrating everything you are doing. But if they can kill you, then they kill you immediately. That's why people go to bed, they don't wake up. But if they cannot kill you, they will be frustrating your life. So she has to call immediately for